Hi there. In this video, we'll have a look at how to navigate and use the Dell SolVe Online portal. To begin, navigate to the Dell support website at dell.com/support. To access the SolVe system, you first need to have a Dell User Business account. Log into your Dell account here and make sure that your user icon has a black check mark. This indicates a business level account. If you don't have a business account, please check the link in the description below, which will walk you through the steps to obtain one. When signed in successfully, either search for SolVe in the search box shown here, or scroll down the page and select the SolVe option. Once the SolVe page is loaded, you will be presented with various Dell products. For this example, we're going to be obtaining the procedure to replace a disk drive on an R740 server. We'll begin by selecting the Power Edge tile. Here we can see different categories of support. As we're looking to replace a physical part, we'll select Rack Server under Replacement Procedures. Here you can see the specific model types. For this example, we'll select the R740. Step 2 lists all the different removable parts, and we're looking for drives. If the part you're trying to replace has any additional instructions, you'll be presented with an information prompt that will have to be acknowledged before continuing. In this example, we're being advised that a replacement hard disk drive won't be provided with a carrier, and you'll have to perform a transfer of the new drive into the old carrier. Once this has been acknowledged, we can continue to the next step. Step 3 is optional, but if available, please fill in the information as it helps us to track trending topics so that we can better help in future. If the information in step 4 is correct, click on Generate. SolVe will now automatically create the correct PDF for your request and download it to your browser's default download folder. Open and browse the PDF for the section that is relevant to you. On the main page, SolVe will remember your previously searched for systems for easier future access. You can also select the My Content option from the left side navigation menu. This page also displays previously searched for products and topics. On the right of My Content, you can also see a list of the latest advisories for your previously searched models. These are to keep you informed on all the latest security updates. Below Security Updates is a list of all the latest knowledge base articles for the saved products. These are full of up-to-date fixes and tutorials to help you keep your systems running efficiently. Finally, we have the Support drop-down menu on the left. This contains useful links such as Dell Technical and Security Advisories, options to change your email alert preferences, release notes, FAQs, and a space to provide feedback on your SolVe experience. Hopefully this guide will get you on the right track to navigating and using the Dell SolVe system. And that's it. For more information on this topic, please check out the links in the description below and check out our other videos for more handy tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.